Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. And to all of you out there who have subscribed and supported my channel, I really appreciate it. And the ones that hit the thumbs up, that's great. It helps other people get this information. And to those of you that are new, my name is Leonard Sotelo. I go by Leo, but is what made me create Hustle the Struggle was because a lot of these gurus out there, and I understand business, so I understand it. But when you're training to learn how to build a business online, e-commerce store, whatever, they always want to upsell you into traffic. And I teach a lot of free organic traffic sources here. I also leave a short every now and then of somebody who inspired me. So I leave those shorts every now and then, and I also go over AI tools like I'm going to be showing you here. So stay till the end of this video because this AI tool, it grabs your competitors pretty quick, and so you can build your SEO articles to have more potential of getting traffic when you upload it. So let's get started. You can do anything if you put your mind into it. So if you're here on this channel, go ahead and binge watch a lot of other videos. Go ahead and share them with your friends. Let them know that there's somebody out there who is willing to share all this stuff instead of just trying to sell it to them. So let's get started here. I want to show you this. This might be a longer video, so just want to let you know that, but it's pretty cool because I put a lot of stuff together here. So CopySpace AI. CopySpace AI is pretty cool. I want to show you how to use it here in a little bit. But this is the cool thing. You get a 7-day free trial, ladies and gentlemen. To all you ladies and gentlemen out there, that's really cool. 7-day free trial. So pre-think about the content you want to create. Pre-think it. What is your niche? What are you in? Are you in beauty, fashion, make money online, softwares, whatever it may be, SaaS? Think about what you want to do before you activate your 7-day free trial. And I do have an affiliate link in the description below this video in case you want to get access to your 7-day free trial. And if it's for you're a beginner, you could do a lot. Look, you could do 25 SEO articles, and I'm going to show you where you could also, if you don't have your own blog, I'm going to show you where you could also put those at as well. And I will have a link pop up right here that is going to show you where you could go post those articles, and I'm going to share a little strategy with you. So let's get started here. So I'm going to start a new article. So basically, all you do is you create an account and you dive in. And let me open this up for you. So this new one I want to do right here. Let's say it's for tactical, right? I'm just using this as an example, everybody. So we're going to create a tactical. Uh, Hopefully my internet's working faster. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to SEO. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go tactical. And then, oh wait, hold on. Let me clear this real quick. Let me clear all this stuff because, okay, I think we're ready to go. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Publish documents, okay. Here we go. We're going to go up here, tactical. Now there is a video, a shorter video that will show you the basics real quick, but I want to just show you right here. And search engine, United States. Okay, we want to do the United States. We're going to do an audit real quick. This is the moment that might take a little bit longer. But while this is going here, you could also go to my channel here and check out a lot of free, a lot of other organic videos and traffic sources and all kinds of stuff you can find on my channel here. So let's go back over here, and it's gathering all the information from Google. So it's going to take a little while here, and I'm going to try to edit this down so it doesn't last too long. So to get your if you want to get your you don't know what keyword to use, you could go right here to Ahrefs. There's a free version, a paid version, but let's say if I was to go to tactical here and start, it's gonna find what's working and what's not. So tactical is kind of hard right now. So I could still use that. I still can, but it's gonna be it's gonna be a little difficult. Tactical pants, that might be easier right there if I want to be promoting some kind of pants. You could also do the same thing in the Hoth. the Hoth right here. You could go in here, open a free account. It's free. Both of these are free. So you know, you're not breaking the bank there until you're ready to start putting some of your money in there. So right here, look, it came up with these technical definition of meaning, 511. So let's see, technical solutions. Let's say I want this. I want these ones. I don't want the 68. I want that ones. And I'm just using this for an example, everybody. To go in deeper, to go in, you just take your time to see if that's if you got a technical website, you're selling technical stuff. I'm just using this as an example. So we're gonna try to get these keywords right here, and let's see, technical. Then I'm gonna go over here. This right here will show you the keyword tag, JavaScript. Okay, technical, artificial. So some of these right here, I'm not even gonna want. You're gonna get rid of the ones that you do not want. So because you want like basically tactical, anything that could help with the whether these relate to your article or what, this is what you're going to pick down here. So I'm going to go here, we're going to go to let's go technical. Now you could click right here because this will suggest keyword. So let's see what it brings up. Tactical gear, technical equipment, tactical strategies. So let's go right here with tactical gear, just to make it more interesting on this video. Engine not found, huh? So search intent suggestions. So this is for, you know, if you want people just for informational use, navigational, commercial, transactional. So if you're trying to make sales, let's go with that one. And then title, let's go with the title here, and best tactical gear online, top tactical gear for every need, shop tactical gear for your missions at great prices. We're gonna go with this one just for this example, so I can speed up this video. And you can choose your length here, 24. You could do a 612 keywords, and let's see, we'll go with this one right here. We want it to be the readability of a 10th grader and up, because those are the older, the more, you know, 10th grade, you know, they still got a lot of learning, but this is makes it easier just for anybody. You can make it humanized, interlink, bold text, everything right here. And hey, I want to stop on this video real quick. If you're liking my content, you like any of my content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like, you know, consider subscribing to the channel. Tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos that will be coming up pretty soon. I got this new video I'm working on. I'm actually running a test on it to see if it will fit. It's for emailing. It's an emailing software that nobody talks about. So stick around for that video and I'll make it for you. So let's get back to the video. So right here, target recap. Okay, you're going people United States, people speaking. And then you're going to go down here. This is where it also takes longer because, watch, let me show you. Your headline. One headline is too vague. Okay, so let's go over here. I forgot to click on the... Oh, you can also do the voice right here. However you want your voice to be. But the headlines right here. So this right here will suggest headlines. Affordable options for tactical gears. Okay, that's a good one. Then you do a H2 headline. Let's see if I can speed this up because this is where it takes long. Now, usually when you go down here, right here, see, this is where it says choose a length of 488 words, add 14 more headlines and 2 images. So that's where it could take a while, everybody, but it's not that bad. So let's go back over here. Where's the I'm gonna go right here, that one. That's what it recommends. And then let's just keep adding some headlines. To keep doing that, you just keep doing this. I'm just kind of going through it here, but you are going to want to look to the left right here to see if you're okay with that, because it could also just redo it and choosing the right tactical. So you just keep doing this, everybody. I'm just kind of browsing through here real quick so you all could get a review of this and see if it might suit you. So Features tactical gear, maintaining your tactical gear longevity. So this is what it's going to put into the article. This is what's going to put into the article, and let's see. Then I'm going to confirm it, and then I'm going to go over here and I want to click a few images. I want an image here, few images. Current setup is around for each headline, which may limit your depth to the article. Try to fix this. Use fewer headlines, increase your higher length. Okay, let's see what it says down here. Your current setup is not ideally configured to achieve great. Okay, so you want to follow what this says, everybody. It wants me to add, okay, it wants me to remove one image and add 7 more headlines. Now, you do not have to do this. You could go right here and to write it anyway. But I want to show you right here. I'm going to add 7 more headlines and remove one image. So we're going to remove one image. We're going to do 1, 2. Whatever niche you're in, if you're into like recipes or something like that, you want to just obviously you want to take your time in here. So let's see. Let's go there. Say write content. It liked what I did, so it's going to write the content out. And the cool thing is, I know this video is kind of long, everybody. I don't want to take up too much of your time here. So once this article is made, if you're going to go to my card and see what I posted up there, I recently made a video of before posting to medium.com and I forgot to say the one. I will leave it at the end of this video, my videos you could watch. You could go to them, so you don't need a website to do it. But you do not really want to put the same content exactly to copy and paste into different platforms. That's where you go right here to Spinbot. So you grab your original content that you shared, put it right here, and then you come over here and you hit spin. It'll spin your article. So you could use that content now in 2 places. Then you could redo it. You don't, make sure you read everything that it rewrites over here, that it spins it to, because you want to make sure your content is still good. You want to make sure it dives into your viewer's mind and has a solution for them. You just don't want to paste content just that's not really too great. So let's see what it came up to. Affordable and easy tactical need gear. So it comes out with the pictures right here. It's still writing. It'll stop everything over here once it's done on its own, and it will show you about the content. As you can see right here, that's not too bad. Top brands. It'll, as you just seen right there, it busted out a 53 score. You're going to want to score in the 80s and up. And, it's in the green. Let's see what it came out with. This will overwrite the existing content. Okay, we don't want to do all that, but you guys get the all you men and women out there, you do get what you can do with this. It's I could also copy this. If you do have your own blog, you just copy it, go to your blog, and I use Elementor. It takes a while. I just recently did a video on this as well. But you post everything in there. And I'm not going to, what's it called with this right now? I'm not going to publish it. But it's going to, I use rank math. I don't know. Some people use Yoast, whatever you feel more comfortable in. But this right here will get your ranking up. So if that article that I just demonstrated with, that article right here, if it was in the 80, it basically, once you copy it and then you go paste it into here, it brings your score up here really high. So right now, okay, this would be a focus keyword. Let's see, tactical gear, and see what that brings up. Oops, didn't spell it right. If I could spell right, tactical gear. So that right there will bring it up to a 72, as you see. So it doesn't take much to mess with it, but if you take it to medium and you're gonna put your you got to make sure you put your affiliate links or access to your e-commerce store, whatever you're trying to sell. Make a call to action in these articles and put your affiliate links in there. Now, when you go to Medium, make sure you follow their policies. So I'm just going to say that read their policies on affiliate links. Same thing if you go to vocalmedia.com or vocal.media, I should say. There's no .com there. If you go there, you do the same thing because you don't want to get your account kicked out because that does happen to people. So, you know what, everybody, I took up a lot of your time. I know I took up a lot of your time, but I just wanted to show you these tools that they're there. I do have an affiliate link in the description if you feel that you could use this tactical not tactical CopySpace.ai. Excuse me, it's still early in the morning. I haven't had no coffee, so that's where I'm at right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. If you did like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down because I respect your opinion on my videos as well. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next videos. And make sure you leave some comments, okay?